Hello everyone, this is the new chapter for class 7th in physics, heat and temperature. And in previous class we have discussed about the motion, types of motion. So that chapter will be completed and in this chapter we will discuss about the heat and temperature. So what is heat and what is temperature? Before discussing it, we will discuss about the molecules. So what is the molecules? So each and every object is made up of a tiny particles. That tiny particles is known as the molecules. And tiny particles we also call the small particle. So what we says that each object is made of molecules, small molecules, and these small particles, and these particles are called the molecules. So once I repeat, what is the molecules? So each and every object is made up of small and we can say the tiny particles, and these tiny particles is known as the molecules. And these molecules have the movement. So these molecules have the movement. Due to this, when each object, or we can say that each molecules have the movement, so it possesses the energy. And when the sum of all the energy of the molecules, then we can say this type of energy is known as the thermal energy. Okay, so once we repeat, what is the molecules? So each and every object is made up of small particles. These small particles is known as the molecules, and these molecules have the movement. Due to this, it possesses the energy, and this energy, this heat energy, the sum of all the molecules of the heat energy is known as the thermal energy of the molecules. So let's start. Heat. What is the heat? So when a hot object and a cold object are come in contact, so we draw a figure of suppose this one is a hot object and this one is the cold object, and when the hot object and cold object are come in contact, so this cold object come in contact with the cold object, so the energy is transferred from the hot to cold. This energy is known as the heat. So we write here the definition of the heat. So what is the heat? So when two object, one is hot object and second one is the cold object, come in contact, then the energy transferred from the hot to cold. So this energy is known as the heat, and the SI unit of the heat is Kelvin. And if we talk about the older metric unit, so the older metric unit is calorie. So this one is the definition of the heat. So when a hot object and a cold object are come in contact with each other, a type of energy flows from the hot object to the colder one, and this energy is called the heat energy, and the SI unit of heat is joule. And if we talk about the older metric unit, so calorie is the older metric unit of the heat. Now next topic is temperature. So what is the temperature? So temperature is the degree of the hotness or the coldness of any object. Once I repeat, what is the temperature? So temperature is the degree of the hotness or the coldness of the object, and it is measured with a device, and this device is known as the thermometer, by which we can measure the temperature of the human body, and there are mainly three types of the thermometer. First one is the clinical thermometer, and second one is the digital thermometer, and third one is the laboratory thermometer. So these three thermometers which we discussed in this chapter. So these the detail about the clinical thermometer, digital thermometer, and the laboratory thermometer we will discuss in the next class. So thanks for watching.